How to add channel point to your Twitch stream. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing you the ways to add channel point to a Twitch streaming. In order to add a channel point to a Twitch streaming, all you have to do is make sure to log into a Twitch TV account. Once you're logged in, tap the profile icon from the top right hand side corner, and from the drop down menu, go ahead and select create a dashboard. As soon as you click on create a dashboard, it's going to take you to the other interface, where the interface will look something like this. So while you're on this page, go ahead and tap on viewers regard from the left hand side bar. As soon as you do that, a drop down menu appears, and from the list you'll need to go ahead and tap on channel point. So once you tap on the channel point button, on the other interface you'll be able to see this sort of interface here. All you have to do is just enable channel point, or just toggle the button for it, and make sure to customize it as well. And once you've done that, you've successfully added channel point to your Twitch streaming. You can also go ahead and customize it. So follow the on-screen prompt and you'll be able to enable your channel point. In this way, you can add channel point to your Twitch streaming. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.